शार्क टैंक में जज कैसे बनते हैं?
जज कैसे बनते हैं?
ना शार्क कैसे बनते हैं?
मतलब जाके सीट पे बैठते हैं, पैसे
अरे
देते।
नहीं, मतलब वो तो आपका कैसे आई अपॉर्चुनिटी, कैसे हुआ?
I guess they reached, I mean, in my case, they reached out to us and we had a conversation and then I went. I think you cannot influence Shark Tank in that sense. So you have to wait for to be
अच्छा,
called.
तो वो लोग आते हैं, they contacted you, they did try.
Like they contacted my team in this scenario and then, first I was only surprised, सही में pitch करने के लिए बुला रहे हैं कि Shark के लिए बुला रहे हैं?
तो क्या प्रोसेस होती है देन? स्क्रीनिंग वगैरह ये सब बताएगा?
नहीं, स्क्रीनिंग नहीं, मैंने कोई ऑडिशन, टीवी ऑडिशन नहीं दिया. यू वंस एवरीथिंग इज अग्रीड, यू रीच द सेट एंड देन यू स्टार्ट शूटिंग. या.
एंड हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस?
Excellent. I think again I keep circling back to being a very proud Indian, but imagine we had founders from Darbhanga, smaller towns coming and pitching. कितनी अच्छी फीलिंग होती है. And also it is a lot of fun, because I think for any founder in India today, that is the epitome of being there. But it is also a privilege which you have to be responsible about it, because for you it is one pitch, but for the guy who's pitching or the woman who's pitching, it is a very important chapter of their entrepreneurial journey. So you have to give them the respect that they deserve. So that is, a responsibility I personally take very seriously. I'm not dissing or dismissive or disrespectful towards any pitcher, because it is their moment to shine. It is not, Shark Tank should actually be called Pitch Tank, because it is their moment, not the Shark's moment.
What one mistake they make which kills the pitch?
For me,
founders क्या mistake करते हैं pitch करते हैं?
मेरे लिए other than the usual jargon of passion, details matter. In business, details matter. So I am not expecting you to know India level के revenue, but अगर आप साउथ बॉम्बे में ऑपरेट कर रहे हो या वेस्ट दिल्ली में ऑपरेट कर रहे हो, कम से कम अपने एरियाज़ की आपको डिटेल होनी चाहिए. अपने एरिया में क्या मार्केट साइज है, क्या डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं, कौन से डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं, कौन से शॉपकीपर्स हैं. Details matter. What I dislike, not only in Shark Tank but in life, I dislike lazy founders. So if you have come on Shark Tank, you're taking someone else's position. Be respectful towards not the sharks. The sharks are, as I'm saying, not the most important ingredient. The pitchers are. So if you have made it to Shark Tank after 3 rounds, the least you can do is know the details of the business you're in and the market that you operate in. Not on a macro scale, but in the micro space. In business, details matter, period. Full stop. That's it.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.